Hello, everybody. How are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue learning phonology on lesson number 3. Here we go. Open your book to page number 17. Phonology lesson 3. Okay. Listen. Listen and point the word in your book. Listen and number. Say the missing word. Listen and pronounce. Okay, here we go. Pay attention, please.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Bear, bear. Paw, paw. Winter, winter. Rain, rain. Wet, wet. Race, race. Windy, windy. Window, window. Rainy, rainy.
Okay, and the missing word is rat. Excellent. You did a great job. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform, okay? Remember, you can do it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.